The Porsche 911, a legendary name in the world of performance cars, is known for its stunning design, exceptional driving experience, and long-lasting reliability. But like any vehicle, even the mighty 911 has its flaws. The 991 and 992 generations, which span from 2012 to the present day, represent the pinnacle of Porsche's engineering excellence. However, these models aren't entirely immune to the occasional issue. Whether you're already an owner or planning to buy one, it's crucial to be aware of the common faults that can arise in these iconic sports cars. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 common problems with the Porsche 911, 991, and 992, ranking them from the least concerning to the more serious ones. Let's get started. 10. Air conditioning problems. Air conditioning problems in the Porsche 911 are fairly common, especially in the 991 and 992 generations. Complaints typically involve weak airflow, improper cooling, strange smells, or unresponsive controls. While not the most catastrophic issue, these faults can significantly affect comfort, especially in warmer climates. The main cause of AC problems in these models tends to be low refrigerant levels, which can occur due to leaks or poor maintenance. In some cases, clogged cabin air filters or malfunctioning compressors can also be the culprits. First, check the refrigerant levels and recharge if necessary. A leaking refrigerant system should be inspected by a professional to detect the leak and seal it. If the airflow seems weak, replace the cabin air filter, as it can become clogged over time. If the issue persists, a malfunctioning compressor or electrical issue may require a more detailed inspection. 9. Electrical system glitches. Electrical issues are relatively common in the Porsche 911, including the 991 and 992 models. These can manifest in various ways. Unresponsive infotainment systems, faulty window switches, or even malfunctioning lighting. These issues are usually linked to wiring problems, faulty switches, or software malfunctions. Most electrical problems are caused by corroded connectors, blown fuses, or outdated software. In some cases, it can be a problem with the battery or the alternator failing to properly charge the system. Start by checking the fuses and relays related to the electrical components. Ensure the infotainment system is updated, as older software can cause glitches. Inspect wiring connections for any signs of wear or corrosion. If a particular switch or control isn't working, replacing the faulty component will usually solve the problem. If you're experiencing persistent issues, it might be worth having a professional check the electrical system in more detail. 8. Suspension wear. The Porsche 911 is built for exceptional handling, but some owners have reported suspension issues, particularly with the 991 generation. Worn suspension components can lead to an uncomfortable ride, decreased handling performance, or even unusual noises when driving. Suspension components, such as bushings, shock absorbers, and struts, can wear out over time, especially if the car has been driven aggressively or on poor roads. This wear and tear can cause the car to lose some of its precision handling capabilities. If you notice a change in the ride quality or hear knocking noises, it's essential to inspect the suspension system. Replace any worn or damaged components like shock absorbers or bushings. Regular checks and maintenance can help ensure that your Porsche 911 continues to offer the smooth and precise ride it's known for. 7. Turbocharger issues, 991 Turbo. The Porsche 911 Turbo 991 is a powerful machine, but some owners have reported issues with the turbochargers. These problems include oil leaks, excessive smoking, and loss of power, which can be frustrating for owners of this high-performance model. The main causes of turbocharger issues are usually related to oil leaks or a failure in the turbocharger seals. In some cases, the turbochargers can simply wear out after extended use, leading to a loss of power or excessive smoke. If you're noticing issues with power delivery or smoke, it's important to check the turbocharger for any signs of damage or leaks. In some cases, replacing the seals or cleaning the turbochargers can resolve the issue. However, if the turbochargers are worn out, a replacement may be necessary. Regular maintenance and using high-quality oil can help prolong the life of the turbochargers. 6. IMS bearing failure, 991. The intermediate shaft IMS bearing is a critical component in the Porsche 911's engine. and its failure can lead to catastrophic engine damage. Although Porsche improved the IMS bearing in the 991 generation, some owners still report issues with premature bearing wear. IMS bearing failure is often due to wear and tear over time, though it can be exacerbated by inadequate oil changes or neglect. The 991 generation saw some improvements to the IMS design, but it's still a potential issue for cars built before 2017. If you suspect IMS bearing failure, you may notice engine noises or a decrease in engine performance. Regular oil changes with the correct oil type are essential to prevent bearing failure. Some owners opt to replace the IMS bearing proactively as a precaution, especially in older models. If you do experience a bearing failure, replacing the entire IMS bearing assembly is the best course of action. 5. Carbon buildup, 991.2 and 992. Carbon buildup in the intake system is a known issue in many direct injection engines, and the Porsche 911 is no exception. This issue is more prevalent in the 991.2 and 992 generations due to the increased use of direct fuel injection. Carbon buildup occurs when fuel is injected directly into the combustion chamber without passing over intake valves. Over time, this can lead to a buildup of carbon deposits on the valves, restricting airflow and causing engine performance problems. Symptoms of carbon buildup include rough idling, poor acceleration, and increased fuel consumption. The best way to prevent carbon buildup is to regularly clean the intake valves. 4. Engine cooling system leaks, 991 and 992. Cooling system leaks are another issue that some Porsche 911 owners face. Over time, hoses, seals, and radiators can degrade, leading to coolant leaks. If left unchecked, this can lead to engine overheating, which can cause severe engine damage. The cooling system consists of many components, including hoses, radiators, and water pumps. Any of these parts can fail or degrade over time, especially if exposed to extreme temperatures or poor maintenance practices. If you notice a drop in coolant levels or signs of overheating, it's essential to inspect the cooling system for leaks. Replace any faulty hoses, seals, or radiators as needed. 3. Transmission issues, PDK. The Porsche 911's dual-clutch PDK transmission is widely regarded as one of the best in the industry. However, there have been occasional reports of transmission issues, such as rough shifting or hesitation when changing gears. These issues can be particularly frustrating in a performance vehicle like the 911. Transmission problems often occur due to worn-out clutches, faulty sensors, or software glitches. In some cases, a lack of proper fluid changes can lead to overheating and poor performance. If you experience rough shifting or delays in gear changes, start by checking the transmission fluid level. If it's low, top it up with the recommended fluid. If the issue persists, the transmission might need to be inspected for worn components or faulty sensors. 2. Brake wear and failure. The Porsche 911 is a high-performance vehicle, and with that comes the need for high-performance brakes. While the braking system is generally reliable, heavy use can lead to accelerated brake wear, especially if the car is driven hard on the track or in aggressive driving conditions. Excessive wear on the brake pads and rotors is common in performance vehicles, especially when driven at high speeds. The Porsche 911's brakes are designed for exceptional stopping power, but they do wear out over time. If you notice a decrease in braking performance, it's essential to check the brake pads and rotors for wear. Replace them when necessary, and ensure that the brake fluid is topped up. 1. Engine oil leaks, 991 and 992. Engine oil leaks are one of the most concerning issues that Porsche 911 owners face. These leaks can be caused by degraded seals, gaskets, or damaged oil lines. If left unaddressed, an oil leak can lead to a significant loss of oil, which may cause engine damage over time. The engine seals and gaskets in the 991 and 992 generations can degrade over time due to age, heat, and pressure. In some cases, oil lines may become damaged or corroded, leading to leaks. If you notice oil spots under your 911 or a drop in oil levels, it's essential to have the engine inspected for leaks. Replace any faulty seals, gaskets, or oil lines immediately. Regularly checking oil levels and ensuring the engine is properly maintained will help prevent leaks from causing significant engine damage. The Porsche 911 is an incredible sports car, but as with any vehicle, it comes with its share of common issues. Regular maintenance and early detection of potential problems can ensure your 991 or 992 generation remains a reliable performer for years to come. Whether you're dealing with minor electrical glitches or more serious issues like engine oil leaks, staying on top of maintenance is key to keeping your Porsche running at its best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert advice on keeping your Porsche in top condition. Keep driving, and we'll see you in the next one.